video will provide you with information regarding what types of materials are contained in our library. It will also mention information on what we do not have in our collection. A future video will provide a brief tour of our location. The James J. Lunsford Law Library contains primary and secondary sources. It contains official and unofficial publications. These resources can be found both in print and digitally. Now, what do I mean by sources? First off, primary sources are materials such as rules, statutes, and case law. Primary means the materials are coming directly from an official source, such as a government department for rules, government legislature for statutes, or issued from a court as case law. Secondary sources are not the law, but they talk about the law. Treatise titles such as Florida Torts and Florida Creditors' Rights Manual are examples of secondary sources. Treatise is just a fancy word for books. Law reviews, legal encyclopedias, practice guides are other examples of secondary sources. Secondary means they may discuss primary resource information, but also include more discussion regarding concepts pertaining to specific areas of law. These resources are typically authored by people in the legal profession with in-depth knowledge about the subject matter and may aid the researcher in understanding the primary source materials. When conducting legal research, it is best to start with secondary sources because they provide a broad overview of a topic, usually pointing out the most relevant primary source materials. Official publications are published by the federal or state government. Unofficial publications are created by commercial publishing companies. The two main legal publishing companies are Thomson Reuters West and LexisNexis Matthew Bender. Unofficial publications often cover the same content as official publications, but they have enhanced material like annotations and in-depth indexing. West Publication also provides an additional enhancement called the key number system. This will be discussed in a future video. Just to keep things interesting, sometimes the state will contract with one of the above-mentioned publishing companies to print their official primary source materials. Many titles contain form templates and sample forms. We also have books just on forms and templates. There will be more discussion on forms in an upcoming video. We also offer research guides on a few popular subject areas. These will assist you by listing books and online resources that may help you get the answers you need. We have copies in print and they are available on our website. We also offer these research guides in Spanish. Remember, if the guide is in Spanish, the legal resources are only available in English. This library does not contain trial materials. We do not have briefs, case files, or transcripts. For those, you will need to contact the clerk of court. Finally, a reminder, staff at the law library are librarians. They are not attorneys. They cannot recommend legal strategy, recommend legal forms, or assist with filling out forms. This is considered practicing law without a license and is a felony under Florida Statute 454.23. Staff can recommend services that may help you if legal assistance is needed. The next video will cover different approaches to legal research.